author Dr. Vishwas Panse, a highly qualified professional having various degrees to his credit, right from Bachelor's of Commerce to LLB to Masters in Arts to AIIA from the United States of America to PhD in UK with 3.5 decades of corporate experience under his belt. He was conferred the honoris causa honorary doctorate in entrepreneurship for his work in this fab field. An ex-IDBI officer, having served in Rehabilitation Finance Department, Dr. Vishwas Panse has played a key role in conducting IPOs with the merchant bankers like ICICI, SBI Corporation Bank, etc. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Vishwas Panse has developed the psychic training, which is a concept through which he has trained over 7,000 students to become fast, effective sellers. A rich experience of about 25 years in NPA management, right from legal to finance to banking, and as a chief mentor at the NPA Consultants Private Limited, where he focuses on guiding struggling business owners to survive and revive their businesses, help with debt advice, and at the same time restructuring bank settlements. He was awarded by the Economic Times as a change maker for his exceptional contribution in reforming NPAs. An advisor to All India MSME Association. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Dr. Vishwas Panse. A legend from the world of finance and Kohali. Thank you, sir. That's very kind of you. Sir का इतना vast experience. और sir हमें बताएंगे कि ये किताब at the same time, right from the listing ceremonies or as a merchant banker to help have their IPOs is a very big thing. Let's give it up for the brain, for the, of course, beauty in the book. हम बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि सर हमें कुछ बताएं इस बुक के बारे में 3 से 4 sentences. और आप कितने excited हैं आज?
Yes, I am quite excited. This book is basically for all MSMEs who are suffering because of various non-cooperation from the banks. I am saying banks are supposed to be our friend, but it does not happen that way. It is said that when it is not raining, bank will provide you the umbrella, and when it starts raining, they will give you the umbrella. So under these circumstances, how a common MSME undergoes the struggle to come back or to revive, this book is all about it. The name of the book is NPA Nightmare, Struggle for Survival and Revival.
That's wonderful. It's really very, very essential, and I think everyone has that experience, everyone can relate to it. So it's wonderful. We look forward to taking a look at the book and reading it as well. I'm excited है सर, आज बुक अनवील हो रहा है, लॉन्च हो रहा है, चेतन भगत जी क्या तो
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. It's a good thing, and I have tried to put all my experience, which I have gone myself also, and through my clients.
Sure.
With that experience, I have tried to bring it. I have met so many people who have tried to commit suicide. They have come back again into their business.
जो डेट में चले गए और समझ में नहीं आता क्या करें हम.
Some people have attempted to commit suicide. Somehow they met me, and thereafter they have again come back to the business. Now they are doing well. There are hundreds of people like this. I have consulted more than 3,500 people. About 450 properties I have seen. सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है कि when अपन becomes NPA, सबसे पहला डर लगता है मेरा घर.
जी सर. Well, good. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. It's been amazing to know your story and your absolute background. It's been wonderful, but you get only one sentence to speak in front of Chetan Bhagat ji. तो आप सोच लीजिए वो कौन सा sentence होगा. But this has been phenomenal. We've already recorded. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, qualified professional with various degrees to his credit, with over 3.5 decades of corporate experience under his belt. Thank you, sir. And in the world of finance, who's been an ace, ladies and gentlemen, as a merchant banker with banks like ICICI, SBI Corporation Bank, etc. He has developed the psychophysics training concept, which he's trained over 7,000 students and helped them in the world of finance and banking. Well, ladies and gentlemen, are we ready for the grand unveiling taking place? The countdown of 3, 2, yes, perfect. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, heartfelt congratulations, Dr. Vishwas Pansing, on the unveiling of the book, NBA Nightmare, Struggle for Survival and Revival. It's a beautiful story, and at the same time, we'll be pleased now have the book in hand for the unveiling, and then we're going to have a few words. Come back. Yes. We're going to. Wow. Sir, आप ये लीजिए. Yes. A picture with the book, friends, and this is the book. नई किताब, उसकी खुशबू पहले तो, and उसका touch, उसका feel, the different perception, and actually making it a substance. It's a different feel altogether. It's like, you know, मैं प्यार करता हूँ ना, ये पहला प्यार है. किताब, हर एक नई किताब जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो प्यार होता है और इसी तरह प्यार करते रहें. So I'm going to please request you, sir, good job, Shak Farmai, and sir will sign a copy for you. Sir, please, this is for you, this pen. Thank you, sir. Sir, आप 2 sentences कहेंगे तब तक.
This book professes the vision for the NPA issues. The Finance Ministry has no vision to handle the NPA issues. I say that NPA should be handled through revival and resolution. That is the only way that NPA can be integrated.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Can I hold the box for you? It's that's for you to sign this. And the pen is for you as well. I'll keep the box with me. Wow, what a moment indeed, ladies and gentlemen. You know, I just want to pen down the book just because Chetan sir से unveil हो रहा है. सिर्फ इसके लिए. हाँ जी sir. Thank you. Sir, एक सेकेंड. अभी आपकी फैमिली आए हैं सर. कोई है आपकी फैमिली से? प्लीज आ जाए. फैमिली फोटो आपका. Wait, maybe family be ready. Family, you can be ready very quickly whenever we have them. Come. Please join us on stage. Family आ जाए. जब book signing हो रहा है, the family can join us. एक फोटो आप हो जाए. सर, यहाँ पे सारे बैठे हैं आपके परिवार से हैं. वाह, क्या बात है. स्वागत है आप सबका. नमस्ते. दिल से स्वागत. सर, सिर्फ सोच के आ रही है. आपकी फैमिली की बाजू वाले की फैमिली आ रही है. हाँ विश्वास सर, ये आप ही की फैमिली है. इतनी बड़ी. और भी है कोई? आप सब सोच के क्यों आ रहे थे डर डर के? कितने लोग जाए या ना जाए ऐसे? हाँ ना? ऐसे लगता है ना? नहीं सर आएंगे. शादी की तरह ना सोचें. जितने आए हैं सब आए. मैं दे दूँ? हाँ. Congratulations to all of you. We're gonna have one break. Let's give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Author Dr. Vishwas Pansing. Thank you. And sir, आपके पास signed copy भी है. Thank you very much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in welcoming our author. Shukriya. Thank you so much. Thank you, sweetheart. You look lovely. Ladies. Friends, may we please welcome Dr. Vishwas Pansing. The backdrop. आप सबको बैठना है 10 मिनट सिर्फ. उसके बाद give your media bites. आपको जो भी कहना है किताब के बारे में, प्लीज आप दिल से कहें. लंबा कह सकते हो, जितना वक्त लेना है आपको ले सकते हैं. But right now, come. डॉक्टर विश्वास पानसिंग सर, बैकड्रॉप चेंज करेंगे सर. रिमोट कंट्रोल दे दीजिए हाथ में. सर रिमोट दे दीजिए. रिमोट कंट्रोल हाथ में. सो अब देखिए हमें क्या करना है फ्रेंड्स. अब ये अनवीलिंग हो रहा है. ये सारा कंपाइल करके आपको वीडियो मिलेगा. ठीक है. वी गोना हैव द काउंटडाउन ऑफ 5 4 3 2 1 और 3 2 1 करेंगे. अभी 3 5 का हो गया. आप सिर्फ यहाँ पे देखिए रिमोट दबाएंगे ऐसे. मैं सर 3 2 1 कहूंगी और आना चाहिए. चेंज होना चाहिए. होगा ना चेंज? रेडी सर? 3 2 1 कहूंगी और अभी दबाएंगे. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us for the grand unveiling of the book by Dr. Vishwas Pansing. 3 2 1 Ladies and gentlemen, Council. Please, thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen.
Basically, the book is dealing with NPA, that too in the MSME sector. The MSME sector, because of the NPA, many people have committed suicide because there is no proper direction. Even our finance ministry has no vision how to handle the NPA issues. They are believing that coercion is the only way, taking their assets, taking their houses, and then making them on the road. The person who has contributed to the economy, who has given the employment to the in the country, who has paid a lot of taxes to the government, when he comes into the problem, he has been isolated and actually killed. Business in the business sense. So is it the way that it has to be done? This book talks about it. This book strongly says that the way to resolve the NPA issues is to revival and resolution. You have to revive the business. If the business revives, country will be also benefited. At the same time, the person who has created the employment, who has given lot of revenue, who has contributed to the GDP, has been given due recognition. Otherwise, why should I do everything for this country? मैंने करोड़ सा रुपीस का टैक्स भरता हूँ, लाखों लोगों को नौकरी देता हूँ, मैं इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर खड़ा करता हूँ, GDP में contribute करता हूँ. At the end, what I get when I am in problem? Do you mean that any business will not have any problem any time? कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम आएगा. At that time, how do you look at that problem is very important. Our finance ministry, our RBI, and whatever the banking system, even our judiciary is biased. They believe that the bankers are right and the borrower is wrong. It is not so. Many bankers have committed blunders and they have committed many NPAs. They are the responsible for that. So who is going to help these people? We are there to help them. We strongly say, don't pay bank till we meet. In the sense, we do not promote that you bank का कर्जा डुबाओ. हमारा कहना है कि जब you are in problem, create a roadmap how to get out of it. And government should also look at it in a different way. When you can give a loan of 20 years or 25 years of housing loan, why not you give a business loan of 20-25 years? If you give this kind of loan, perhaps the BEP will come down and people will survive.
Sir, how does you feel that second season of Cook Tunnel Bali
Yes?
How does you feel about Cook Tunnel Bali times?
I feel very good when this launch was really good.
And what do the message of young authors?
Young entrepreneurs, I will tell them that don't worry, be entrepreneur, have an entrepreneurship attitude. You have to see that as an entrepreneur, in every odd condition, you have to see an opportunity. NPA is also an opportunity. You can convert NPA into an opportunity. And we will help you how to do it. I tell them very clearly that your business is the only solution for all your economic problems, including NPA. So you first concentrate on your business, we will take care of the bank.